Hi guys, good morning. So in today's video, I want to show you how I want to clean this kitchen. As you already know, I'm back at work and today is my first day to clean this kitchen. So guys, as you can see, I'm showing you around the way everything is scattered. And this kitchen, believe me guys, 3 months it has never been cleaned. So today, as you can see, even the leftover food is just there waiting for me. Yes, it is dust. That's very untidy. And all, name it, guys. So I want us if we can do it. Okay, if we can clean it and then it can be a kitchen again. Because right now I can't call it a kitchen. Naona tu vitu zingine guys, see everywhere is dusty. Hey. Na leo nakwambia kusiniza yenye nitasiniza hapa, it's only God who knows. So guys, that is fridge. Fridge is there, see the water that is coming from the fridge. Yani food inside have rotten and now you can see the outcome, the dirty water that is coming from the fridge. So here you can also see the everything. Guys, I don't know even what to tell you, but I want you to just take time and guys, let's do this together. So, but first of all, I decided, hey, let me take some water and then niendelee na kazi. So, keep watching.
March without stopping in the midnight cry. March without stopping in the midnight cry. Even if the road is too rocky, have no fear, Jesus.
And guys, I want to tell you something, guys. If you are done with your contract and you want to go back to your country, guys, kindly be good to your bosses. Remember the 2 years they have been staying with you. You know it is by God's grace. And even don't pay nothing bad, like nothing good with bad. Or maybe even they treated you badly, guys, don't pay them back. Just leave everything to God. So as you can see, this kitchen, even the leftover, the dustbin, let me say the dustbin, the food that were left there 3 months ago, they were just there. And you know the bosses or everybody that stay this side, they don't do anything like that. Always tupa zibala, they will always wait for someone to come and do for them. So the food, everything was just left like that. And guys, the room, should I call it what? I don't know. Is it a kitchen? Sijui. When I opened the door, I felt like vomiting. But then I said, this is my calling. Let me just do it and turn everything around. So I was trying to tell you guys, before you go home, if there is food in the kitchen that you have cooked the previous night before you leave, make sure umezitupa. Nobody will eat them. Throw them away. And also, if there is zibala, which are trash in the dustbin, kindly make sure you throw them out before you leave. Leave the trash empty, leave the food cooked. Okay, take throw away. Just trash everything that you have eaten the previous day because nobody will need them. Okay, yeah. So that was my thought. I don't know what you can say in the comment section. Let us try and help one another. Yeah, keep watching.
Even if the road is too rocky, have no fear, Jesus is with you.
So guys, here what I decided to do is to clean the floor first. Guys, me I have this problem. Nikikanyaga kitu chafu, when I step on let me say dirty floor, when I feel vibaya, nasikia vivi. So I don't know. I don't know if you people you normally feel like that. Like when you are stepping on the floor which is dirty, you just feeling that you are not comfortable. So I decided at least to clean the floor first. So after cleaning the floor, then I will continue at least now to continue cleaning the cabinets and and everything, even the fridge. But at first, I decided to clean the floor because I was just feeling like I'm not comfortable. And as you can see, the floor, the way it looks like, it was so dusty. Yani, anyway, so I decided to pour more and more water. Guys, I did wash this kitchen na roho safi. Because, guys, remember, I'm the only woman in this home. So I should take this home, like my home, and do necessary. And that is what I did. So, guys, stick around and keep watching.
March without stopping in the arc of your time. March without stopping in the arc of your time. Even if the road is too rocky, have no fear, Jesus is with you.
And hapa, guys, I was just trying to wash zinaitwaje lead ya ndoo, I don't know. Vifuniko vya ndoo. So I was washing one after the other because niliona hata nikipanguza it will not make sense. So I was just washing one after the other. Yes. And then later I was just trying at least to do something that at least will make me comfortable because the dust was real. And you can see it in the curtains. Guys, those curtains, angalia hiyo window, hiyo curtain, I don't know. I did not zoom, so guys, you could have seen it better. And it was worse than anything. But anyway, I'm in the house. Penina the Grace is in the house. So by God's grace, we are going to do it right. Keep watching.
Even if the road is too rocky, have no fear, Jesus is with you. March without stopping with the angel and the lamb. March without stopping with the prophet of your time. Even if the road is too rocky, but have no fear, Jesus is with you. Even if the road is too rocky, but have no fear, Jesus is with you.
So here, guys, I decided at least to put the gloves on. Hey, I remembered, the Clorox, jig. I did not want the jig to do the justice to my hands. You know how they can do, the jig can be disgusting and can do justice to your hands. So I remember I still have a long way to go. So if I protect, why not? Why not protect my hands from the bleaching detergent? So that is why I decided at least to put the gloves in my hands, and yes, at least it will be better. Yeah.
March without stopping in the arc of your time. March without stopping with a living prophet. Even if the road is too rocky, but have no fear, Jesus is with you. Even if the road is too rocky, but have no fear, Jesus is with you.
So guys, here I'm done, and I'm trying to show you now at least how you can see the floor. See, it is better. And then later I decided now to make the onion slices. You can see, inakwambia zilikuwa mbaya. But the onions were not that, they were not spoiled, all of them. So what I did, I said, okay, I don't want to waste all these onions. So I picked those that were good, and those that were bad I threw away. As you can see the plate, hiyo sinia vile inakaa, it can show you everything. So nikatupa zenye ni mbaya, and then I washed the sinia, I put the onions, and then I put them outside at least zikaukie huko. Yes, na ndio naonyesha huko nimeziweka already. I came back now for the garlic and also washing this thing because guys ilikuwa mbaya. So I made the garlic and then nikatupa hizo viazi zote nilitupa. In fact kulikuwa na dudu. You can see there are some, I don't want to even talk about it. It is just bad. So I did not want to show you a lot because I want you guys to eat. I did not want you to stop eating because the more you see what I was saying, you can start fasting without knowing. So here guys, I've washed this. As you can see, it is very sparkless. I did not want to throw it away, but coming kwa wengine wangetupa. So I washed it and then later it was now good for me. And that one I can say now that is the work of my hands. Yes, and the garlic also, after I was done, you can see, I made those that were good and then I put them outside. So guys, I was back now doing the now the necessary now. Namalizia sasa hizi za juu. Now at least the floor is clean. Now I can be on the floor without doubting or without being uncomfortable. Yeah, so let's do this.
March without stopping, march without stopping in the midnight cry. Even if the road is too rocky, my brother, have no fear, Jesus is with you. Even if the road is too rocky, my sister, have no fear, Jesus is with you. March without stopping with a living prophet. March without stopping with the angel and the lamb. Even if the road is too rocky, my brother, have no fear, Jesus is with you. Even if the road is too rocky, my sister, have no fear, Jesus is with you.
So guys, if you have watched up to there, this video will be with part 2 because it was very long. I could not put everything here because I know guys you don't like long videos. So I just tried and make it short so that it will have part 2 and we shall see how I transformed this kitchen. So guys, I did not do the deep cleaning all over in this first part, but I will show you what I did next and make sure you don't miss the second part. At this part, guys, I was tired and then I said, let me sit down, let me drink some Liban and let me take a break because hii kazi ni yangu. I don't want to die while working. So I took the milk, I took the water, I sat down. So see you in my next video. Bye.